Okay.
Okay, so this is something I bought. It's a suitcase. Well, she said there's two.
Oh.
I was
So you bought this online?
Yeah. And then
The local buy-sell app.
the one that I use all the time to sell stuff.
Also buy stuff.
Very seldom, but.
So where are we going?
209.
Oh.
Your side.
We just passed it.
Okie doke. She said it's going to be in the backyard because I had her put it out. I said if it's not too much to ask, you put it out by 9 because I didn't know where it would fall on our list.
Yeah.
And so she said, I'll put it out and then I'll go back to bed. So I was like, oh.
Oops.
It's 209. She said it's going to be in the backyard behind the house. Okay. So I'm going to go back there, get them, and then I'll put the money in the mailbox.
Okay. I'm gonna try and figure out some options on this thing.
You want to see them?
Sure.
See, look at. Oh my god.
Oh.
Look at the handle on that. Isn't that great?
Yeah. That is neat.
That's a nice one. This is the other one.
Come show it.
This one wasn't in the photo, so I didn't know what this one was going to look. I didn't know if it was going to be a match to this, or. But it's nice inside.
Got little straps on the lid for.
Ooh.
Is this cardboard?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. And this one has the little
Cardboard suitcases. Boy, oh boy. You sure wouldn't want your suitcase to get wet.
So cute. Like them.
Yeah.
Both of them for $8.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Yes.
Switch the map to top down.
Oh, and you put the address in?
Yeah.
How's that treating you? Better?
So far, so good. We'll see.
So this one is, I think people can rent tables. So there's supposed to be antiques at it, and I think it's at Black Arrow Bar.
At a bar.
Yeah, because you can get drinks and stuff there if you want.
Sweet.
Yeah. Get a rum and coke and go garage sailing.
Yeah. Rum and coke and a deal.
And an antique.
Yeah. Black Arrow Bar.
There you go.
Okay.
That's where I said it was, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Uh-huh. I don't know why you questioned me.
I just didn't know that there was a bar there.
No.
I wasn't questioning you.
That's okay. Oh.
It's the curb. Okay.
Okay. Let's see what's up.
Black Arrow.
Garage sale.
His best music. Never heard of the place.
Where's the door? Oh, over here. No. Wonder what it used to be.
Yeah.
Members Club. Oh, so you have to be a member. Maybe that's why you never heard of it. I don't know where to go. Not there.
Look at this, eh?
Yeah. Where's the garage sale?
It's in here.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so quiet. Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Hi. Good. Oh, what's this gonna do?
Here, press it. It's got a little, so it jumps.
A little heart attack giver, yeah. You want some gum?
Oh, you can actually have some. They put the
For
coins
free?
there.
Yeah. Okay, and go over here, I guess.
Birds of prey of the world.
Oh, yeah. Did we get her that one?
A dollar each. I
Oh.
don't think we've got our birds of prey.
Ooh, careful. Well, that's a big one.
It is.
Oh.
Looks nice
For
and
a
vintage.
dollar.
I think for $1 she would love that.
Okay.
Get that for our friend Angie.
Oh, what's this milk glass? Can't get it out. I wonder if she'd want that. I don't know. It's not like the other ones. I don't know.
What year this was? Oh boy, it's written in
What is it?
Roman. So 19. There's 9.
1950s, 64.
60. Yeah, you're right. 64. How about that for 10 minutes?
Thank you.
Thanks. Pull up to the bar and get a rum and coke before we go on to the next sale.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's open. Like you could.
Yeah, you could. Grab a sip as I go by.
Yeah, free sips, right? Yeah.
This would have lasted longer than mine.
Are these Blundstones? Yeah,
Leather
$5.
Blundstones. What's Blundstone?
That's the brand. They're
Oh.
really expensive. Darla swears by hers.
Well, maybe you should get those.
200 new. There you go.
Maybe you should get them and resell them.
Dog chewed. Oh yeah. But you don't see that. I wonder. Should I try it on? Or are they too plain for me? Maybe.
Oh, you should try them, especially if they're expensive shoes.
Yeah, they are really expensive. Yeah, but just there.
Yeah, just on the back. Chewed the tag off the back.
Yeah. So, and that's how you kind of have to pull them on. But if I can get my thumb in there.
Maybe get.
Oh, they feel a bit big. Like my toe is like here.
Well,
I don't know. I mean, the price is so good. They feel a bit big on me though. Do you find they're a bit bigger size?
Yeah, they were, for some reason too, I felt like they were a little bit.
Yeah, like I normally take an 8,
Yeah.
but these feel like they're
I know.
almost a 9, 8.5 or a 9.
I mean, you could buy another foot insole and put it in,
True.
and they would tighten them up a little bit. But
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, well, my friend has some, and she that's all she wears all the time. So I'm like, wow.
I've never heard of them.
Oh, really?
I love them. I always notice too when other people have them on.
Yeah, I guess I could buy an
Literally for
insole.
$5, like whatever. They're
I mean, that's such a great deal, but
it's like, I was like, I guess I could throw these in the garage sale.
they felt big. I just don't know that I would wear them. I know. I really like them. And Darla just loves hers too. So, but yeah, I feel like they're just too big for me. Like at least a half size or more.
You're doing it? You taking them?
No. Oh, it's not the money. It's not the price. They just felt too big. Yeah, and I just don't think I'd wear
No,
them.
I've actually had like people come and try them, but it's a perfect fit for.
No, yeah, they're super roomy for the size. So
Yeah.
I know I'm sad they don't fit. Believe me. Have a good day. See ya. Wow, this is. Yeah, we didn't even know there was a bar here.
I wonder how long this place has even been here.
Well, it was probably something else, because, I mean,
Yeah, but how long has it been
a bar?
this place?
Oh, I don't know. Oh,
Yeah, really bright.
yes.
Hey, there goes our truck.
Yeah. Hey.
No! Get back here with my truck.
Yeah, because this is like an old building.
It
This
is.
This here is like vintage looking in the top part.
Yeah.
Banquet hall, wedding. This would be perfect place for Bob's party.
Cool. I think Angie will like that.
I think so.
Plus, I mean, we're just gonna give it to her, so she
Yeah.
better like it.
She might be like, okay, that's enough, because we
Yeah,
keep buying her
enough of the
these
bird books.
giant books.
Yeah. $5 for those, but
They just didn't fit me.
yeah, if you
Like, they
if
were-
you can't wear them yourself and you don't know that you can sell them, I mean, there's no point in taking them.
No, and I think Darla's like size 10 or something. I don't think they would have fit her.
It's too bad.
I know, but they were like really too big.
Yeah.
Like they felt like a full size too big.
Yeah, no, you can't buy them just because of what they are.
I know.
If you can't use them.
No, no. Yeah, I know, and that's too bad.
Hey guys, thanks for coming with us yet again on Hey guys, thanks for coming with us yet again on another great picking adventure. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't already subscribed and you like our content, feel free to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing and it's really going to help us out. And as well, while you're clicking, you might as well hit that thumbs up down below too. It's a great way to support our channel and it helps push this video out to people who don't know about us yet. Thanks again guys, we love you and we sure appreciate your support. On to the next.